Notice: St. Anthony's College, Mount Lavinia. Special Class, Maths Workshop. Dear Grade 8 students, we are pleased to announce a special Maths Workshop organized for all Grade 8 students of St. Anthony's College, Mount Lavinia. This workshop aims to strengthen your mathematical skills and prepare you for the upcoming term test examination. Details of the workshop. Date: May 20th, 2026. Time: 8 o'clock a.m. to 12 o'clock p.m. Venue: College Main Hall. Resource persons: Mr. Sanjua Pereira and Ms. Nadisha Fernando. All students are expected to bring their mathematical instrument box, notebooks, and a calculator. Attendance is compulsory. If you have any questions, please contact the class monitor, Kavindu Silva, or your class teacher, Mrs. Tharushi J. Singha. Let us work together towards your academic success.